Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today you are going to learn 7 ways to say I'm tired in Russian language. Before we start, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's start. Поехали! First of all, let's start by learning how to say I am tired like in English. If you are a woman, you will say Я устала. Я устала. Or как же я устала. Как же я устала. And if you're a man, я устал. Я устал. Or как же я устал. Как же я устал. Don't forget to practice with me out loud and copy my pronunciation.
Я устал, босс.
Some of my students tell me in the morning, я устал, I'm tired, or я устала. It's not very correct to say this in Russian language. You just woke up. Why are you tired? So for these situations in the morning, use я не выспалась for women, or for men, я не выспался. Я не выспалась. Я не выспался.
Да я еще не проснулся.
It means you haven't woken up entirely yet and you are still sleepy. Я больше не могу. Я больше не могу. Maybe for you it sounds too strong, but in many cases it's just a way to make people pity you. To tell you that you need rest, that you have to take care of yourself, that you are working too much. Number 5 is у меня нет сил. Means I don't have energy. У меня нет сил. Number 6 is я выжат как лимон. Masculine. And я выжата как лимон. Я выжат как лимон. And я выжата как лимон. Literally it means I'm squeezed like a lemon. In English we say I'm a mess. Basically it means I'm exhausted. If you are a woman, you say я устала как собака. Я устала как собака. If you are a man, say я устал как собака. Я устал как собака. It means I'm dog tired. I'm tired like a dog. Usually we use this phrase in the evening after work. And that's all for today. I'm not tired. This is why I'm going to shoot another video for you right now. Я не устала, поэтому я буду снимать дальше видео для вас. Feel free to write your own example in comments below. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Пока!